Okay, today we're going to do a video on how to replace my filter on this Samsung refrigerator. The filter's right here. Right here. And first thing we do is we get the model number. I took that model number and I punched it in on Amazon search. 2 days later, voila. Okay, here's my filter here. Now I purchased this this one here. Comes with this to remind you when it's time to change it out. You should change your water filter every 6 months. Okay. Very simple to do. All you have to do is you push in. See right here where it says lock, and here's unlock. There's lock and there's unlock. So all we have to push in on this and turn it counterclockwise past the unlock and pull it out. That's all you have to do. The new one, take off this cap, put it in same way you took it out, push it in and turn it and lock it just like that. See how we did that? Let's go ahead and test it out. Just go ahead and get all the air out. You're gonna get some air in there when you change the filter. Nice and clean. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.